How to use Canva Magic Write AI on PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open a project where you want to use Magic Write AI or create a new design by clicking the Create a Design button and selecting a format such as a presentation, document, or social media post. Once your project opens, click on the text button from the left-hand panel. Here you will see the Magic Write button. Click on it. In the text box, type your prompt or idea for the AI. You can ask Magic Write to generate content such as social media caption, blog text, video script, product descriptions, or creative writing ideas. Be clear and specific in your instructions to get the best results. After entering your prompt, press Generate. Magic Write will quickly provide AI-generated text that you can insert directly into your design. You can edit, format, and customize the generated content to suit your project's style and tone. You can also use Magic Write for multiple pages by clicking the Magic Write button and generating content for each section, making it perfect for documents, presentation, and marketing materials. Once you are happy with the generated content, continue designing your project by adding images, elements, or animations as needed. Finally, download or share your design directly from Canva. Now you know how to use Canva Magic Write AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.